In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make even, precise extrusions in Blender. We'll start by adding a basic object so everyone is on the same page. With your scene open, press Shift+A, go to Mesh and choose Cube. This gives us a clean starting point. Make sure the cube is selected, then press Tab to enter edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the cube's vertices, edges and faces highlighted. Next, switch to Face Select so we can work with entire surfaces. Press the 3 key on your keyboard to enable Face Select mode. This lets you click an entire face instead of just a vertex or an edge. Now left-click any face on the cube to select the one you want to modify. Pick a face that's easy to see so you can clearly follow what happens next. Let's do a clean, accurate extrusion. Press E to extrude, but don't move your mouse yet. This is important because moving right away can introduce uneven distances. Instead, type a number to set the exact thickness of the extrusion. For example, type 0.2 for a subtle shift, or 1 for a more pronounced result. You're typing the distance directly, which makes the extrusion perfectly even and precise. Press Enter to confirm and apply that exact value. This method is great when you need consistent results across multiple parts of a model or when you're matching a specific dimension. Sometimes you want the shape to stay perfectly even in all directions before you pull it out. That's where the inset method helps. With the same face selected, press I to inset the face. You'll see a border appear, moving evenly inward from the edges. This maintains a uniform offset around the entire perimeter, helping you avoid stretching or distortion. For the cleanest results, combine these two techniques. First, create a neat, even border with I to define the area you want to extrude. Then press E to pull that region out by an exact value, just like before. This inset then extrude workflow keeps your geometry tidy, especially around corners, and makes it easier to control thickness consistently. If something doesn't look right, double check that you're still in edit mode and face select. And remember not to nudge the mouse after pressing E if you plan to type a value. With these simple moves, Shift+A to add the cube, Tab to edit, 3 for face select, E then type a number, Enter to confirm, and I to inset, you'll get professional, even extrusions every time.